I. Look at this new interesting letter. This is capital I, and that's lowercase I. Woo! Let's tap on the next button. I'm so excited to learn some new words. Starting with the letter I. E. Igloo. Igloo. The word igloo starts with the letter I. Igloo. Igloo. The word igloo starts with the letter I. E. Iguana. The word iguana starts with the letter I. Iguana. The word iguana starts with the letter I. Insects. The word insect starts with the letter I. Insects. The word insect starts with the letter I. E. That's great! Drag the letters from the tree into the correct box. This is capital I, and that's lowercase I. E. Intelligent. E. You did a great job. E. You did a great job. E. Genius. E. Nice one. E. Genius. E. Intelligent. E. Genius.
We make it easy for kids to start coding and even create their own.
J. J. Woo! Another letter of the alphabet. This is capital J, and that's lowercase j. Tap on the next button and learn some new words, starting with the letter J. 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 Jet. The word jet starts with the letter J. J. Jet. The word jet starts with the letter J. 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 Jump. The word jump starts with the letter J. J. Jump. The word jump starts with the letter J. 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 Jelly beans. The word jelly beans starts with the letter J. J. You did an amazing job! Let's drag the letters and place them into the correct nest. This is capital J, and that's lowercase j. J. You did a great job! J. Genius. J. Great. J. Intelligent. J. That's correct. J. That's correct. J. You did a great job! J. You did a great job! J. Intelligent. J. Genius. J. You did a great job! J. You did an amazing job! J. K. K. Aha! Do you know which letter this is? This is capital K, and that is lowercase k. Let's tap on the next button to learn some new words, starting with the letter K. 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 Kangaroo. The word kangaroo starts with the letter K. K. Kangaroo. The word kangaroo starts with the letter K. K. Kangaroo. The word kangaroo starts with the letter K. 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 Kitty. The word kitty starts with the letter K. K. Kitty. The word kitty starts with the letter K. 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 Kitchen. The word kitchen starts with the letter K. K. Kitchen. The word kitchen starts with the letter K. K. Genius. Drag and collect uppercase and lowercase letters from the train into the correct box. This is capital K, and that's lowercase k. K. Great. K. Genius. K. That's correct. K. That's correct. K. That's great. K. Genius.